Bonjour. That's how you say hello in Ojibwe. Um, from Fond du Lac Indian Reservation, northern Minnesota, near Duluth, Minnesota, near Lake Superior. Um, this is the snow we've gotten in 3 days. It's not done yet, and this ain't even the worst part of the storm. But that's my deck. As you can see, we've gotten probably 2 feet of snow, and it's still coming down pretty good. It's the Arctic, almost. So it's better to come visit in winter, and the sun. I mean, better to come visit in the summer than it is the winter, unless of course you like snowmobiles or ice fishing or snowshoeing or skiing. We actually have a nice ski hill called Spirit Mountain, Giants Ridge, Lutsen Mountain. They're only about 1,000 feet high, but they are pretty nice. They grew them and everything. This is welcome to the temperate zone, closer to the Canada than it is anywhere else. All the roads are shut down. Yeah, good thing I have some food. People have to prepare for the storm. Power outages are going out, all kinds of stuff. So have a good day.